All right, folks, so unboxing this 55S90C. Trying this clipper. No. Okay, now the other way around. All right, so these straps are gone. Checking for any seals. I don't see any seal here. All right. Only those straps were there. Okay, so what do we have inside? We have a couple of wall mounting brackets. There you go. Putting them here. This is the other one. Looks like metal ones. This is the one. Okay, let me just safely take this out first. I'm trying to be very careful not to topple the TV. Oops. Quite a heavy thing to move. Alright, so this is the installation guide for wall mounting, I believe. Unpacking installation guide. There you go. There you go. Hope you can see it. Alright, so what else do we have here? A 15 or 16 ampere power plug, which is quite useless as per me. They should give 5 ampere only. That is good enough. And this is the entire kit. It's remote. Safely trying to remove the sticker. So this is what we have. We have some sort of like legs, and I don't know what is it. You have remotes, some information, and the solar remote itself. Power plug. Now the good thing is it's a normal PC power plug, so I can use, instead of this Samsung one, I can use any power plug for that matter. Nice. Where do we have the standard remote? I don't think standard remote is here. Okay, here it's the antenna connector converter actually, what we have here. Okay, this must be the user manual or something, quite heavily crushed, I don't know why. Probably you can open it from here. Yeah, it's actually heavily glued. I just need to fix this manual. Perfectly harmonized. I don't know why it was so crushed. It says Dolby Atmos and DTS-X. Now I wonder whether. Okay, so I think it is talking about some soundbar, because this TV most probably doesn't support DTS-X, which is a problem for me. Anyway, so I can safely remove the remote as well. So what do we have here? It's probably Symphony, some booklet or something. And connecting the adapter, user manual of what? Thank you for purchasing Samsung product. Okay, connecting the antenna adapter. That's it. It's essentially a user manual. This is how it is. One part of it has been fallen. Anyway, what do we have here? New OLED Samsung. Why is it like this? Should have been fixed on the TV itself. I hope this is not a used unit or something. I'm not sure why it is here. Not sure if it's supposed to be like this. Neural quantum processor 4K, laser slim design, motion accelerator turbo pro. Strange name. It feels like some cheap product. Motion accelerator turbo pro. And you have some more. I think this is some panel, some rear cover of the TV. Some heavy metal plate. I think this goes in between the two legs. It's quite heavy. Okay, so now I'm slowly going to remove this. Top thermocol, ensuring not to wobble the TV, and to be very careful. I almost feel like I'll basically topple the TV. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Okay, so now the remove side one, remove the side ones. Okay, so I can see the front of the TV now. No, this is back actually. The box says front for some reason. Back. We have a sticker on the TV itself. Alright, so I have the back of the TV. Now I need to place it. I'll probably place it on top of the box. I'm checking for any physical damage or something. It's difficult to check on video. Still, I'm trying. As of now, I don't see any damage as such. But I have to do it properly. I think the thickness is slimmer than my LG C7, 55C7, which it is replacing. Alright, so there you go. Probably this much I'll keep for unboxing because now I'll have to plug in the plugs. I don't see any other components to remove other than TV. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.